The natural wonders of the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, comprising England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and diverse landscapes. Each region offers a unique array of environments, from rugged coastlines and rolling hills to serene lakes and dense forests. Coastal beauty. The UK is blessed with an extensive coastline that stretches for thousands of miles. Notable coastal areas include Jurassic Coast, England, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its dramatic cliffs and rich fossil beds. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland, famous for its unique hexagonal basalt columns formed by ancient volcanic activity. Pembrokeshire Coast, Wales, home to stunning cliffs, sandy beaches, and diverse wildlife. Majestic mountains and hills. The UK features several mountain ranges and hills, offering breathtaking views and challenging hikes. Scottish Highlands, known for Ben Nevis, the highest peak in the UK, and the picturesque Glencoe Valley. Snowdonia, Wales, home to Mount Snowdon, the highest mountain in Wales, and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Lake District, England, renowned for its scenic lakes and rolling hills, this area inspired many famous poets and writers. 3. Lush forests and woodlands. Forests and woodlands are integral to the UK's natural heritage. Sherwood Forest, England, famed for its association with the legend of Robin Hood and its ancient oak trees. New Forest, England, a mix of woodland, heathland, and pasture, offering a sanctuary for wildlife. Kielder Forest, England, the largest man-made forest in England, providing habitats for red squirrels and ospreys. Tranquil lakes and rivers. The UK's lakes and rivers add to its serene beauty. Loch Ness, Scotland, infamous for the legendary Loch Ness monster and its deep, mysterious waters. River Thames, England, the longest river in England, flowing through the heart of London and rich in historical significance. Windermere, England, the largest natural lake in England, located in the Lake District and popular for boating. Diverse flora and fauna. The UK's varied habitats support a wide range of plant and animal species. Heathlands and moorlands, home to unique flora like heather and gorse, and fauna such as red deer and grouse. Wetlands, areas like the Somerset Levels provide crucial habitats for migratory birds and amphibians. Coastal waters, rich in marine life, including seals, dolphins, and a variety of fish species.